Limit an Excel cell to one of two possible values. I would like to create a cell format for one cell to only allow the value yes or no for this cell. How could I do this?
Microsoft describes this here. Apply data validation to cells. Click the cell you want to restrict value for. Go to Data and GT, Validation. The Data Validation dialog box opens. In the Allow drop-down, select List. In the source text box, enter yes, no. Note, this will also work for more than two possible options. Simply separate additional desired options with a comma. Now your cell will have a drop-down with yes and no. The user can also type these values without clicking the drop-down button.